Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and we of course have a lot of questions about how Windows 12 is a thing or not. I think it is probably a thing, but once again, these are rumors, so it's speculation based on what we see and how Microsoft is acting right now. And also the fact that instead of using like Sun Valley 2, 3, 4, so on, they scrapped Sun Valley 3, which apparently would have been a big update to actually have multiple updates on Windows 11 next year instead, here and there. But an interesting take from a couple of people on Windows 12. Now, I don't share this point of view. I do think Windows 12 will have the same minimum requirements as Windows 11, but there are a few people that, and of course there's a lot of you out there that are saying maybe that would be the time to do so. So there are a few people that think Windows 12 might actually remove the minimum requirements that Windows 11 had. And one of the reasons why they say it might not be that crazy of an idea is that Windows 12 will arrive at a moment where Windows 10 is going to get close to the end of support. And they were saying, well, maybe that would be an occasion to have an operating system that will take over Windows 10, and because people will be able to move on to 12 with a 10 or Windows 10 machine, they'll be, moving on to the next version of Windows. Now, I have a hard time thinking Microsoft wants to back down on the minimum requirements. They're not doing it in Windows 11, so I don't think, and I don't understand why they would do it in Windows 12, except for the fact that they would want to have more machines running Windows. But, one of the big things that people don't see here is that a lot of machines running Windows 10 by the time we get to 2025 will be in the 10 years range and maybe even older. They'll be probably replaced anyway. So, we got to remember about that, the replace cycle. Yes, some people hold on to their PCs for 10 years, but the average is about 5. So that means that to the time we get to 2025, more than half of the machines out there will be able to run a Windows 12 that would have the same minimum requirements as Windows 11. But who knows, and we'll see what happens and how it's going to happen in the next years. But certainly, these rumors are kind of interesting, and it's interesting to see what's going to happen next. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.